New silicone mat. Who dis? Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. It is Tuesday and I'm going to make a tray. As if I needed to tell you that because you're staring at it. This tray is going to be a little bit different though. I'm not going to make handles for it. Instead, I'm going to have candles for it. Meaning I'm going to attach these god-awful crystal candle holders that were very painful to unmold. Which is why I destroyed one of the molds. But I'm going to add these to the tray. So they're going to sit in the corners like this. And then if you watched Thursday's video, you will have seen these, the little miniature tarot cards. So I have just grabbed a few, and these are going to go right into the tray. And luckily, these are just short enough so that they don't go above the tray level. I was kind of worried that they would be too tall for this, but it looks like we're going to be okay with it. So I'm just going to set these in here. I've already got my resin mixed up. I'm going to be doing a gray base, so kind of similar to this gray mica powder, which is actually, it's just black mica powder. So the base is going to be like a gray mica powder, and then so I'll pour that, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to pour a clear top to it. So that's today's video. Today I'm going to be using this Battleship Gray, and I may add a little bit of the pure white to it. I'm not sure. It just depends on how the color looks. But I have my resin all mixed up, and that's because I've already recorded this intro once and realized that I did not have my mic on. So we're going to go ahead and fast forward through the pour and then the other pour. And then I will be back for, my voice will be back for the unmolding. You know the drill. Why am I even telling you this? All right, hang tight, guys. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. Alright, y'all. This is nice and cured. Oh, it looks so cute. Okay, let's go ahead and unmold this. And I am going to finish off the edges. And I was going to use the Deco Color Silver. But I think that this pen is running out and I have not ordered any more. But I do have my Pinata alcohol ink. So I think what I'm going to do is like cut, you know, most of the cup off, pour some in here, and then use a little paintbrush just to paint the edge. We'll see how that works. If it doesn't work, I'll obviously use the pen. But that being said, this has been sitting for a few days. I wanted to give it plenty of time to set up before unmolding. I'm just getting these little extra droplets off of the edge here. Okay. Let's see how she looks. Well, the back is not terribly pretty. I can fix that. What I could do is just, you know, set this up in a level way. You know, like on cups or whatnot. And then do a flood coat, maybe of black on the back of this. I could probably do that if I really wanted to, but I think it looks great. I even brought down, I have some of these tea lights. So you just put your little tea lights in, and it's super cute. I'm very excited about it. The top is very level. Nothing's really poking out. It is a little bit over here. It's like a little hump. But other than that, everything is covered perfectly with the clear top coat. And yeah, I really, really like it, you guys. I do actually think, I think I'm going to put black on the bottom just so it's not so see-through. I do think I'm going to do that. My question is though, should I use resin or should I paint it black? I might try painting it black because I can always take that off, right, if it doesn't look good. But yeah, so anyway, let's try painting the sides with this alcohol ink first. And then if that doesn't work, we'll go back to the pen. Let's just give this a shot. I would love it if this worked because I have a ton of this alcohol ink in both silver and gold. So if this works, that would make it so much more economical because these pens, they're not terribly expensive, but they are about $4 to $5 depending on where you get them. So, and this Pinata ink, you get a whole bunch of it for, I don't know, like $10. So, I don't know, we'll give it a shot. Just going to pour out a little bit for now. And I'll tip it up so you guys can see what I'm doing. And I don't want the brush to be dripping because I don't want it to bleed everywhere. Oh yeah, this is going to work great. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Oh, that's perfect. Yay for new ideas working out. Okay. So I'm going to finish this off off camera so you guys don't have to watch me do tedious painting. And yeah, just stick around for the glamour shots. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know by leaving it a big fat thumbs up. It really helps me out. Also, if you like content like this and you want to see more, stick around by clicking that red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. I did announce this in a recent video, I think 2 videos ago, but I do now have a Patreon if you'd like to support me there. The link for that is in the description, as well as all of the materials that I use to make these things. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Take care.